Hi TMI, Father Scott here, bringing you a construction update. It's hard to believe that it's already been 8.5 months since we broke ground on the construction of Harthan Hall and the new Coat Science building. The two best pieces of information I can bring you is that this project is on time and on budget. We're still planning to be finished this summer and open for next school year. As you can see behind me, the exterior is going up, the limestone and brick. Got lots of pictures to show you in this update. It's really exciting. Inside the building, sheetrock is up, the hallways are big and wide, the classrooms are coming together. I can't wait to show this project to all of you very soon as we move our amazing students and our amazing faculty into these amazing new spaces. A little more patience and we're gonna get there this summer, but stay tuned for more updates, but this is really good news. I'm standing here in between the chapel and the Elliott Stabler Leadership Center. We're so excited that the core is in its new home, but this space connecting these two buildings has always needed some loving. So we're excited to be able to tell you that this new amphitheater that we'll build here will be home to our students who come out of the Elliott Stabler. We can do formations here on this space. It's a wonderful space for alumni to overlook the football game. We're going to clean up this whole area and give it a whole new facelift as we wrap up this project this summer. So much great going on this campus, so many things to be thankful for. I can't wait to show you our new space and bring all of our Panthers into their new home. I love you all. Go Panthers.